Hey, what's going on, everyone? So today I have this power strip here and I'm really excited to share it with all of you, starting with the packaging. Check this out. This box is really nice. It gives you a ton of information on this, such as it being IPX6 waterproof. That's right, this is waterproof. I'll show you guys that shortly. But anyways, let's go ahead and open this up. It's very simple to do. You can go ahead and just pull this tab here. You can pop this open and we'll slide everything out. So the box is empty. Let's see what we get. You get a user manual right here, so if you do have any further questions, you can reference that. And then everything else is right here. You have your power cable system right here. So your power cable's right here, it's all wrapped up. And then here is your strip as far as plugins go. So you have four 3-prong plugins here. And then you also have USB ports right here. Let me give you a close up here. You have Type-Cs as well, which are great. So this is gonna work with all modern devices out there and older devices too. So this is pretty universal, which is great. It's a nice, sleek design here. You guys can see the bottom here as well for you. Nice cooling ducts down here, so this isn't gonna get too hot. And of course, you have your on and off switch right here as well. So once again, this is waterproof, which is great. So anyways, let me go ahead and plug this in. We'll plug some devices into it and try it out. All right, guys, so I went ahead and plugged some devices in. It's working great. And I want to note that when the power strip's on, it does have an LED light in there on the power switch itself, which is really neat. So I like that. I have some water right here. Let's go ahead and pour some on. And you're still good. There's no shorting or anything like that. And so anyways, yeah, it's really nice that this is waterproof. It's just another neat feature. I also want to note real quick on the back of this here, there is a spot where you can hang this if you would like as well, which is another great feature. All right, guys, so there you have it. I showed you the power strip, I showed you the packaging, and just how easy this thing is to use. You literally take it out of the box and it's good to go. So anyways, it looks great. It's waterproof, and it's going to last you a long time and keep your devices safe too. So that's why I recommend this to all of you out there.